Only on Fox, a 12-year-old Angleton girl desperate for her help. She's seen several different doctors, all of whom are baffled as to why she sneezes as many as 12,000 times a day.
It affects her life in so many ways. She can't go to school, she can't sleep, she can hardly eat. So as you can imagine, she is ready for relief. Fox 26's Sally McDonald spoke with the girl and her family.
You know,
Meet Caitlin Thornley.
I'm 12 years old. I'm in the 7th grade.
Her life is supposed to revolve around family and playing the clarinet, not be interrupted by this. Caitlin sneezes up to 20 times a minute or 12,000 times a day.
You must be exhausted.
You have no idea. I'm constantly in pain with, my abdomen, and my legs are hurting because I've been weak and I can barely eat.
She can't go to school either.
You've tried going. What happens when you do go to school?
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just...
Her parents say it started more than 3 weeks ago.
I just started in little spurts. I just, started sneezing.
Caitlin had just left a clarinet lesson.
I thought it was oh, I'm allergic to something, or I didn't wash out my mouthpiece the right way.
It never went away.
Wow.
So I'm 22 now and hasn't gotten any better.
It's hard to watch. Yeah, sorry.